They said it was the end, but I choose to begin again. Not once, not twice, but 4 times. This is my fourth rebirthday, a celebration of life, strength, and second chances.